If you're using a CapCut template and don't want it to include the watermark, I'm going to show you how to remove it using this trick. Follow this trick. I'm sure you do. First, opening CapCut application and select your photo or videos.
As you can see, you may delete the watermark every time you edit your video.
So every time you delete, you are wasting your time. Now save your time by adopting this trick. First of all, open your CapCut and go to Setting.
And then click Add Default Ending. And click Discard. And click Add Default Ending.
Now, can you see how to remove watermark? Hello, power mode.